Is it worth buying the GoPro Media Mod? For an MSRP of $80 or normally $55 if you're a GoPro member, you essentially get a cage that fits around your GoPro Hero 9 or 10. On the side, you just have an extension for the power button, and then on the other side, you have a second cold shoe on top of the cold shoe that's on the top of the Hero. So I have it set up right now. I have the light mod, which is I believe $40 on GoPro's website. I'm sure you can find it for cheaper at other places. And I don't have an external microphone yet. I am getting one soon, and that'll probably go on the side, or I'll switch it around, either way. And then on the back, you have a pop filter for the microphone, as well as 3 little doors that have your HDMI out, USB-C for charging, and a 3.5mm mic input. The camera slides in easy enough. You just open up the cage on the side and you slide it in. The only issue is you do have to remove the door to the battery on the actual camera, and then you plug it into the USB-C port in the mod. One cool thing about the microphone on the Media Mod is you can actually see the levels when you're in the home screen. And here is how that microphone sounds on the Media Mod. Now, honestly, in my opinion, if you want this for a microphone and you're not planning on getting an external, do not get this. I feel like the onboard audio of the GoPro sounds way better than this. For comparison, here is how that onboard audio sounds. Can you tell the difference? Is it better than the Media Mod? I'll let you be the judge. So is the Media Mod worth it? Well, if you want a way to use an external microphone with your GoPro or attach the light mod, then I think it is. Otherwise, no, you totally don't need it. Thanks for watching this short little tech review. If you want to purchase a Media Mod or a light mod or anything else, use the link in the description below.